For those of you that are gluten-free and want to just be able to have pantry breakfasts and stuff on hand, let me show you what all the things that I always have in stock in the house, so I can decide what kind of breakfast I want to have the next day. So I always have buckwheat groats. So buckwheat groats are something that you can get in the bulk bin of your grocery store. They usually have them. I have a link here if you don't. But they're, if you can't find them, but don't get kasha. Those are toasted and they have a weird bitter flavor. Buckwheat groats are awesome, but you do want to soak them because it makes them easier to digest, and also you get your body can absorb the nutrients better. I love quinoa. I make quinoa on hand all the time, so I can throw that together. I have that 5-minute warm quinoa, but I do this and again, add almond milk to that and then berries, whatever. So quinoa is also a great pantry staple to have. Steel cut oats. So I love steel cut oats and I love having rolled oats. Again, I have so many, I always get gluten-free. I have so many recipes that include both these bad boys. So we go through them pretty quickly. Next is, you always want to have make your own. So have nuts or have I love 3 Trees. I love their unsweetened and then their vanilla almond milk. I keep this in the fridge. It's great to have just so you can always throw something together. I also have my Nutter, which I can make milk with. So always have some kind of milk on hand. And then I love sweetening things with Soko Tahini. I love the one with dates and I love the traditional one. I also love Sam's Adventure Snacks almond butter. So make sure you have some nut butters in the pantry. Coconut milk, what would I do without it? Honestly, and I love this one by Native Forest. This one has no guars or gums. It's the simple one, and I use this in everything. It's like my thing, So chia, yep, use this in everything. So again, so much chia. And I think I'm gonna do a breakfast recipe post that shows you guys all of mine because I have chia pudding, I put chia in everything. It's a staple. And I've really been adding hemp seeds. So when I add chia, I'm adding hemp seeds. It doesn't do anything to the flavor. It just adds protein and a healthy fat. So I do that. I'm gonna put these down because I'm losing it. Goji berries are great to have in the pantry also with unsweetened shredded coconut. These are just great things to add in when you need walnuts, any kind of nut. I love adding these walnuts too because walnuts are also really good for our brain. They're the best nut for our brain. Our brain is 60% fat, remember that? So walnuts are super good. And I love topping these on my 5-minute warm quinoa porridge. Vanilla extract to get the ones without sugar. Have cinnamon, you can add Ceylon cinnamon, I can't say it, regular cinnamon is great to have in the pantry. Let's not forget fruit, gotta have fruit. I love having frozen fruit in the freezer for times where I can't get fresh fruit, but right now fresh fruit is, berries. I just like berries, but look at these strawberries. So I also like to have berries. So any kind of blueberries, strawberries, whatever. And those are the things, if you have all those things on tap all the time, you're gonna be able to make pretty much every one of my breakfast recipes. Now we can get on to pancakes another day, but these are for the porridges. And so if you guys need links or more info, let me know. But I just thought I'd share that today to get you kind of started on your breakfast pantry. Your breakfast pantry, that's what we're gonna call it.